Do you want to earn $10,000 per month or even more? Well, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel very consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, if you're looking to earn $10,000 per month or more, definitely this video is for you. Something really important, guys, is that this is not a get rich scheme. Okay, this is something that works, but first you need to watch the entire video, and more importantly, you need to take action. This is a way in which I have earned over $1,000 per day. Yeah, you hear it right, over $1,000 per day. Okay, there are several ways in which you can earn money online. All of them works, but this is the strategy that I have been using for the past few years. And that's the reason why I'm telling people, like, if you want to go and earn $10,000 per month, you need to go with high ticket affiliate marketing. I mean, products that are paying you $500, $1,000 per commission, or even more. Okay. Chances are that right now you are wondering, like, Diana, okay, what's the difference between high ticket affiliate marketing and low ticket affiliate marketing? Okay. Uh, I have been doing both. Okay. And this is based on my experience. If you want definitely to go with life changing money, I mean, that you want to replace your regular 9 to 5. I'm not talking about getting rich. Diana, can I get rich? Okay. Disclaimer. Yes, you can, but you need to put the work. Okay. Most people don't need to get rich. They just need to earn way more money than the regular 9 to 5, pay their debts in full, and they're going to be financially free. Okay. They don't need to be millionaires. Okay. So I want to be clear with this. So with low ticket affiliate marketing, you are earning low ticket commissions. I mean, chances are that you're earning even $1, $10 here, $50 there. Okay. So if you want to have, or if you want to earn life changing money, you will need to make a lot of sales. Okay. So if right now, for example, you're promoting Amazon products, which I'm not against of that because I also promote Amazon products. Okay. But I also do high ticket affiliate marketing because I know, like, every single time I promote a product on Amazon, I'm making, um, you know, maybe $10, $20, sometimes way less. And most importantly, I do not own the customer. So that means that if that person purchased something else on Amazon, which they're going to be doing, I'm not going to be earning that commission. With low ticket, on the other hand, okay, it's going to be the same effort, okay, because sometimes people get confused and they're like, well, chances are that this is going to take more effort to earn a high ticket commission, to earn a $1,000 commission or even more. No, it's actually going to be the same effort, but let's do math. Let's say that you have a product in which you're earning $10. That's your commission, okay? You're going to be earning $10. So if you make 1,000 sales, okay, that's sales here, okay, you are going to be earning $10,000. So if you want to earn $10,000 every single month, you will need to make 1,000 sales. Okay, that's about 33 to 34 sales per day on average. But if you have a product in which you earn $1,000 commission, on the other hand, you will need to earn, or you will need to make actually 10 sales. Okay, so this is going to be the same $10,000 per month. Okay, but it's way less people. Okay, at the end of the day, as I told you, it's the same amount of effort, but this is definitely life changing money. Okay. This is definitely life changing money. And that's the reason why sometimes people get frustrated because they're like, man, I'm putting a lot of time, a lot of effort in this, and I'm barely making. Okay, I'm earning less than $1,000 per month. Sometimes even way less than that because they have their own information. Okay, so I want you to take that into consideration. So now, how does a high ticket affiliate marketing funnel look like? Okay, how does an affiliate marketing funnel look like? Let me show you. First of all, you need to have a traffic source. Okay, but here is something really important. You need to know who your ideal customer is. And every single time you make a content, you need to make sure that you are doing one of these three things. You're selling, you're building trust, or you're nurturing your leads. Okay. So it's not that you're going to be doing random content, but you need to build content that it actually makes sense to your target audience. Okay. You need to build a content that it actually makes sense to your target audience. That's why you need to understand who your ideal customer is. Where are these people? Okay. We all know they are online. They might be watching another YouTube channel. They might be on TikTok. They might be on Instagram. Okay. Maybe they're on Facebook. Okay. Maybe they are on Google searching for some kind of information on websites like Medium, Quora, even on a blog. Okay. So we are going to be creating content here that, and this is key. It's not that you're going to go viral. I have going viral myself, but I'm actually talking to my target audience. I'm actually talking to the person that I want to work with, my ideal customer. Okay. Now you need to have an opt-in page. So we're sending these people to what we call an opt-in page. Okay. So they're going to provide us their name and their email address in exchange of something. Okay. It can be, a lead magnet. It can be an ebook. It can be a PDF. It can be a cheat sheet. It can be a video, serious videos. Okay. And then we will need to have what we call a bridge page. Okay. Put an important attention on this. Okay. We are not sending them directly to the sales page. Okay. We're sending them to the bridge page. In this case, this can be a video or it can be some text in which you are introducing the product. Okay. In which you are introducing the product. Why? Because people saw you here. Okay. And they're like, okay, now I have this other person who is talking, but I saw this other person here, right? And that doesn't make sense. So you're introducing the uh, the product here, okay? Then what's gonna happen? What else is gonna happen? Well, you're gonna have a sales page, but this is not your sales page. You are not going to create this sales page, okay? You're not going to create this sales page. The person who create the the product is the one who create this page. What most people are doing is that they're sending the traffic directly to here. And no, you are, first of all, you're not building your um how do I say it? Your business. Okay. I almost forget the word. Again, you're not building your business because this is what we call the hit and miss strategy. Okay. So you need to understand this because there is a key point here. You are going to be building your email list because you are going to maximize your earning. So people here, they provide you their name and their email address, and you're going to be sending them emails. Okay. You're going to be sending them emails, reminding them about this product. Okay. Reminding them about this product. So if they don't purchase right away, remember that life happens, okay? Maybe they're interested, but they're not going to purchase right away because they are at the supermarket, okay? or maybe they are in the public transportation, or maybe, they're just waiting for someone they're going to meet, and they watch a YouTube video, or they are scrolling and they're like, man, this is really interesting. Cool. I'm going to put my name on it, but I'm not going to be purchasing it right now because, I'm not ready. I'm not prepared. Okay. And most importantly, you can be talking about this product, but also you can be talking about other products. Okay. Because you are building your email list. You're building your customer base. You're building a relationship with them. And chances are that there are going to be people who are going to purchase this product. There are going to be people who are not going to purchase the product, but chances are that they're going to be, purchasing other products in the future. Okay. I want you guys to understand this. I want you guys to be clear about this. Okay. And this is definitely how you are going to be, you know, earning really good money if you are an affiliate. Okay. This is actually a way in which you can actually have a real business. Okay. Don't go on the lazy route with the hit and miss strategy. That's not the route. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can learn more about that. Right now, I have a training. It's a free training. I don't know how long the free training is going to be, but we have a free training there. And we are also have an unfair software in which you literally going to have this built in 3 clicks. So you're going to have more than 15 stream of incomes. Then it's going to be there, man. It's actually amazing. It's mind blowing. All the email sequence, it's there. There is no need to have any kind of technical skills right now. Okay. So I want you guys to take this into consideration. Okay. If you're really serious about learning this and having a life-changing income, okay, check the very first link in the description. So I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.